You saw the thumbnail, you know what this is going to be about. It's not a fragrance review. I'm Lindsay, also known as Sentimental Value, and I have a small fragrance YouTube channel. This is my call to action. Start a YouTube channel. If you're in the fragrance community, start a fragrance channel. We need real, authentic reviewers more than ever. With so many paid shills, brand butt kissers, and sellouts, people want to hear from real people like you and me. Real, everyday people that actually wear the stuff that they're talking about. We wear it on our clothes and on our skin. We're not just spraying it on a test strip and ooh, it's so good. Everything's a 10 out of 10. Everything's a masterpiece. There's nothing wrong with it. A one-to-one clone. It doesn't work that way, you guys. And if you know anything about fragrance, you know that too. So why not be a part of it? Why not, instead of just consuming, create? Be a creator. It'll change you. It definitely changed me in less than a few months. And I learned things about myself that I never thought I would. I learned that I can do difficult things, even if I'm afraid. So I'm challenging you to join me in this quest for honesty and integrity in the fragrance community. And when you start, your content is not going to be perfect. In fact, it never is. So just let go of that idea of perfectionism and get started. Just commit to improving your content every day. Learn something new. Commit to learning a new skill. If you need help, there's plenty of people here that will be more than happy to assist you with that. And most importantly, if you're an introvert like me, YouTube is the place for you. If you don't like to go out into crowds, you don't like, social situations and small talk, but you have a hobby that you love to share with the world, get on YouTube and start a channel. You're going to meet people that you really vibe with, and you could actually establish some lifelong friendships too. And finally, don't be afraid to share your ideas and what makes you a unique person and what makes you interesting. For me, I like to wear men's fragrances, and as a feminine, straight woman, that's kind of weird to a lot of people, and I understand that. And I get comments, I get a couple haters. That's to be expected. But if I wasn't doing this, I wouldn't be me. Something that I'm passionate about, that I love, and I want to share with you guys. And I also thought, hey, wouldn't it be great for a female to actually review men's fragrances that she actually wears on her clothes and skin and smells them all day and actually tests them? Doesn't just spray them on a piece of paper for you. You got to wear that stuff, man. And remember, if somebody doesn't like your content, they don't have to watch it. They can click off. They can unsubscribe, and they can find other stuff that they want to watch. Maybe they're just not into what you're talking about at the time. Maybe they're not into fragrances. Some people go in and out of hobbies all the time. So don't take offense when you lose subscribers. You're just going to gain the ones that truly want to be there with you. I hope this video reaches some people and resonates with them, and that they decide to get off the sidelines as a consumer of content and become a creator. It's very rewarding, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're into men's fragrance content, especially if it's from a woman's perspective. Someone who actually likes them enough to wear them and purchase them with their own money. What a concept, right? I know I want to hear from you. I would love to support your channel. I want you, if you have a channel, drop it in the comments. There's nothing more fulfilling about being on this platform than encouraging, uplifting, and supporting other small creators. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.